Here's how to get listed on Jupiter. So to do this, just search for get listed on Jupiter. And then what you want to do is click on this link right here that says Jupiter Station, how to get your token on Jupiter. Then here for approval, your project needs to be at least 21 days old, have daily volume of more than 10k, have a market cap of more than 100k, have unique metadata, and have more than 500 unique holders. Then in order to apply, you want to click on this link right here that says Community Tag Application Site. Click on that. And there are a few more links, so you also have the Master Token List API, but in this section right here you can give a tweet from the project's official Twitter account with the mint address to prove ownership. Then here you need to enter the mint address to fetch on-chain metadata right there, and the metrics need to be at least 10k in volume, market cap over 100k, unique metadata, and holder count over 500, but it will find all of that from the metadata. So after entering this, just click submit for review, and then it will be reviewed, and if you get approved, you will then get listed on Jupiter. So now you know how to get listed on Jupiter. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.